In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite anyone to a Microsoft Teams meeting. Whether you're meeting with coworkers, clients, or friends, this clear step-by-step walkthrough will make sure everyone can join smoothly, even if they don't have a Microsoft Teams account. First, open your web browser and head to the official Microsoft Teams website. If you don't remember the exact address, just search for Microsoft Teams video conferencing and select the official result. On the homepage, you'll see options for chatting, collaborating, and hosting meetings. For today, we're focusing on meetings. In the top right corner, click Sign In and log in with your Microsoft account. If you're already signed in, you'll go straight to your Teams dashboard. Here you'll see your recent activity, ongoing chats, and any meetings you've scheduled. Make sure you're in the correct work or personal account so the meeting appears where you expect it. Near the top of the dashboard, look for the video camera icon. That's the quick way to start a new meeting. Click it, and you'll see choices to schedule a meeting for later or start one right now. For this tutorial, choose the instant meeting option so you can get people in quickly without setting a calendar event. Next, select the option that says Get a link to share. Teams will generate a unique meeting link. This link is your all-access pass for invitees, including those who don't regularly use Teams. Treat it like a key. Share it only with people you intend to invite to keep your meeting private. There are a couple of easy ways to send the link. You can copy it and paste it into an email, a chat app, or any messaging platform your group prefers. If you'd rather send it directly from Teams, use the built-in email option, enter your recipient's email addresses, and send. Take a moment to double-check addresses to avoid missed invites. When you're ready, click Start Meeting to officially open the session. As your invitees receive the link and click it, they'll be able to join right away. Many guests can join from a web browser, so they won't need to install extra software or create an account, which makes things easier for them. Before you send the invitation, include a brief note with the meeting's purpose and the start time, and add the time zone if participants are in different locations. You can also include a short agenda to set expectations and help everyone come prepared. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can invite anyone to your Microsoft Teams meeting and connect from anywhere in the world. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated on new uploads.